Hey, check this out. I had my suspicions but said nothing because I knew nothing. I'm ignorant. And I'm also ignorant on Mr. Extra Class 46-year ham here. And I don't know squat about the primary and secondary band allocations these days. You know, both our primary ham bands and our work bands, and how we share them in the new world, in our modern world. Hell, I don't know. But I do know this. I made a video about this before. This appears only in the ham bands or right next to them. I hope you can hear it. The bands are real noisy. Somebody's running something in the neighborhood, but listen. Right? I forget the title of my video, but it had, in quotes, nice. It sounds like a series of dits. At times, the coding changes. I knew it was an encoded signal. I could tell. And it sounds like dits. In my other post, I had in quotes, nice dits. So, hang on. I dug up this guy, finally got some AA battery cells for it, and I went to the first suspected place. I'll show you. Hang on. Check this out. Look, let's take a quick peek at my meter. And so that was in the 17 meter band, right? I was listening to some band openings this morning and noticed that signal. And so we were on 18 megahertz, right? Now look. Look where we're at now. Boy, this phone sucks. Hang on. Okay, listen. Listen. Right next to the 10 meter band. What's up with that? I live in mid-Michigan. My power company is called Consumers Energy. In southeastern Michigan, in the Metro Detroit area, I believe they have DTE Energy. And the question is, so that signal's obviously coming from my drop line to my house, right? But is it originating in that network, in the power grid? Are they responsible for generating the signal, or are they just conducting it along their lines? I need to look into this. If anyone knows anything, 73. If anyone knows anything, let me know. How do you like my 3-inch reels of tape I just bought for my new recording device? I bought a vintage 3-inch reel-to-reel tape recorder, exactly like the very first one I had when I was 12 in 1971. 73.